to my channel. Welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploits. If today is the first time of seeing my channel, you're welcome. Subscribe to my channel. On this channel we teach you DIYs on bag making, shoes, different DIYs. All right guys, so subscribe to this channel if you want to become a professional bag maker, because we upload professional bag making tutorials on intervals. So subscribe to this wonderful channel. All right guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a beautiful and bespoke purse that you've not seen anywhere. So guys, let's get into the detail of the tutorial. All right, so this is the material I'm using. I'm using a beautiful leather fabric. So you can decide to use your African fabric, you can decide to use any material of your choice. Okay guys, so you can decide to use material for making cushion, any material, okay, matte material. So guys, so let's get into the detail of the tutorial. So now the measurement of this particular project is 9 inches by 15 inches. Okay, 9.5 by 15.5. Okay, 9.5 by 15 inches, that is 24 centimeter by 38 centimeter. Okay, so let me show you. So 9.5 centimeter, sorry, 9.5 inches by 15 inches. Can you see that? So if you want to measure it in centimeter, so you do like this. So you see it's 24 centimeters by 39 centimeters. Okay guys, so let's get into the detail. So for the lining, I cut it to be a little bit bigger than the material itself. All right, so this is the handle. Okay, so I cut 1.5 by 14 inches or thereabout. Yes, by 14 inches. Okay, so let's work on the handle first of all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it this way. I'm folding it in this way and top stitch. Can you see that? So I will top stitch it. Okay, all right guys, so this is how I'm going to fix my zipper. Okay, so I'm going to top stitch it. So you can decide to trim off these airy parts, but what I did is I shift it up, okay, so that it doesn't affect, it's not part of what I'm sewing. Drop your comments. Do you have any question? Drop your question in the comment section. Like the video by clicking the thumbs up button. Subscribe. Like this, I'll fold it in like this and top stitch. I'll also do the same to the other side. So I'm going to cut this into two. Okay, but before then, let's get the center. All right guys, so I'm going to be fixing my zip clothes now like this. By now you should know how to. Okay, so guys, if you have been following my tutorial, by now you should know how to fix this, but then let's do it. So So if today is the first time of coming across my channel, we have a lot of videos on this channel. All you need to do is click on the name icon, okay? It will take you to, then you will see videos. We have a lot of tutorials, so just click on the name Tarron Innovative World. Also, you can become a member of this channel, okay? We have different packages there. You see that of 700 and 750, 2000, 5000, okay? So those videos, they are for members only. So take it as an opportunity, subscribe to our membership so that you become a member of Tarron Innovative World to get access to tutorials, access to a lot of explanation on bag making business. Okay guys, so let's continue. Alright guys, see what I'm going to do now. I want to trim off this excess, okay, because I don't need it. So let me also get the center of this same bag. Okay, see what I'm going to do now. Okay, see what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to measure 1 inch and give it a mark. Measure 1 inch, give it a mark like so. So I'm going to now do something like this. You can remove all the, I'll now fold it like this. Okay guys, I will now stitch it. Make sure it's on that one. So let's bring it out. So just use your hand to bring it out, okay? This way. So I'm going to make sure I bring out the shape like so. Okay guys, so see what we have. So for the finishing now, what I'm going to do now is so what I'm doing is I want the shape to come out, so I'm using my hand to bring out all the angles. Okay, now after this I'm now going to stitch this like so and put it inside. Okay, So we're almost there. So alright guys, so see what we have. So how do I now make use of the handle? I have my ring, okay, I have my key holder ring. I'm going to fix it inside this way, and then bring this like so, okay. So and neatly stitch it, Can you see how I turn it so that the smooth side will be at the top, like you see? So now I'm going to stitch this from this point. I'll stitch it to this point, okay. Make sure it's very, very tight, like it's firm. So guys, this is what we have. So how do you see this? Comment in the comment section.